Welcome back, guys and girls. Well, today is the day that I finally got all the parts in and everything ready for the old Ford 4000 power steering pump refresh. So if you ever wondered what's inside these pumps, this is basically it. It's kind of like a cross between a vane pump and a gear pump. So as this runs, it throws these rollers outward, and this chamber opens up, and as it runs around, you can see it closes up over here and it's open up over here, and that's how the pump works. So not a lot of parts, I mean, really. New filter. Here's the seal kit that I got. I got the filter, the seal kit, and the candy from Steiner Tractor Parts online. And no, they didn't sponsor me. Didn't get a discount on parts. It's just where I get parts sometimes. And they are pretty good about, knowing exactly what you need, getting it to you fairly quickly. And they include candy. There was 3. I already snacked on 1, get that sugar rush going. But anyway, so I need to get this put together and put back on the tractor because I may have a guy coming to go brush hog here in a little while. Thanks for watching, guys.